What's up, guys? Welcome back to Business Buffoons. I'm Azim.
My name is Ahmed.
And today we're going to be giving you an update for our journey of organic dropshipping. So right off the bat, I don't have any sales. My Instagram got 8 views and my TikTok got 700 views. So that's where I'm currently at with my product. Tomorrow, me and Ahmed will be having a meeting to sit down and discuss what's not working and what are some things we can change and implement to get some more success in the future. And we'll be hitting the product research very heavy. So hopefully by the end of the day, I'll have a few products narrowed down where I could look at them more closely and decide which one I want to begin testing. That's all I have for you guys today. Ahmed, I'll pass it off to you.
Yeah, so I posted 2 videos today, for 2 on TikTok and 2 on Instagram Reels, so 4 videos total for my one product. I got 721 views on the first TikTok I posted. I got 348 views on the second TikTok I posted. And then on Instagram Reels, I got 140 views on the first reel that I posted. And I got I want to say in the 50s range for the second reel. These numbers are honestly really bad for me because I was averaging 4K on TikTok not even a week ago. And I was getting around 1,000 views on Reels at one point. So I really need to figure out what's going on. I think what I need to do though is I'm going to switch up my content in the sense that instead of doing really low, one second. Sorry about that. Instead of doing really low effort videos and just kind of pushing more videos out, I'm going to do a little bit of more involved kind of funny / skit videos. I feel like that will gain more traction, just get better hooks. Azim, what were you gonna ask when we were doing the other take? You were gonna say something.
Bro, I was just asking if the product is still going viral.
Yeah, the product is still going viral. The other account is averaging 5K views every post they do. I don't know if they're getting sales though, because I've gotten 4K views, but I didn't get any sales. So I don't know if there's any way to check, any type of software to check that's free, to check if TikTok accounts are getting sales off of a Shopify store, not a TikTok shop store. Just comment below and let us know that so that we can check the other accounts that are going viral. That's it for my update. Azim, do you have anything else?
No, that's all I have for you guys today. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.